how to enable block unknown callers, block specific numbers, and also enable the spam call protection. This is the Nothing Phone 2, and this will be available for any other Nothing phones with Android 14 or even Android 15. Your Nothing phone is going to be using the Google Dialer app as the main default dialer app, and I would recommend using that one. Once you're here, go into it, and you will see the three dots at the top right here. As you tap that, you're going to see settings, and you'll go to settings, and from settings, you're going to see the first part at the top, caller ID and spam. Once you go into that here, you're going to see these two options, see caller and spam ID, identify business and spam numbers, and then you have filter spam calls. So this is going to help to prevent incoming spam calls. Now you also have the part that says block numbers as you come out of here. And this will, one, allow to block calls from unidentified callers. So anyone that doesn't have you as a contact or you have them as a contact will be blocked. And if there is a specific number that keeps calling or messaging you, whether it's a contact or a number from before, enabling this feature, you'll just go right here where it says add a number, and this is going to pop up, and then you'll just put in that number. So let's just say, for example, the number is this number here, right? Just as an example, you'll put in the number, press block, and now this number here will no longer be able to call you or message you. And of course, if in the future you're ready to unblock this number, just come back here and press on the X and unblock the person. And this is going to be able to be repeated anytime you want to. All right, and that is that for this guide. Like and sub.